Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wonder why a bill with 51 supporters in the Senate can still fail to pass? It all comes down to the magic number, 60. Let's break down what bills actually need 60 votes in the US Senate and why. The important thing to understand is that, technically, almost every bill only needs a simple majority of 51 votes to actually pass. The problem isn't the final vote, it's getting to the final vote. This is because of a Senate procedure called the filibuster. The filibuster allows any senator to delay or block a vote on a bill by talking for as long as they want. In the past, this meant marathon speeches on the Senate floor. Today, it's usually just the threat of a filibuster that stops a bill in its tracks. To stop a filibuster and force a final vote, the Senate has to hold a special vote to end the debate. This is called a cloture vote. And to successfully get cloture, you need a supermajority of 60 senators. So, for any major, controversial legislation like bills on healthcare, immigration, or voting rights, the minority party can use the filibuster to block it. This means the majority party must find 60 votes to break the filibuster before they can even hold the final 51-vote passage vote. If they can't get to 60, the bill is effectively dead. This is why 60 has become the real number for getting anything significant done. However, there are some very powerful exceptions to this rule. The biggest one is a process called budget reconciliation. This special pathway allows certain bills related to the federal budget, things like spending, taxes, and the debt limit, to bypass the filibuster. A reconciliation bill only needs a simple 51-vote majority to pass, which is how some of the most sweeping laws of the last few decades have been enacted. The other huge exception is for nominations. The Senate has changed its own rules over the years. Now, all presidential nominations, including cabinet members, federal judges, and even Supreme Court justices, are exempt from the 60-vote rule and can be confirmed with just a simple majority. So, to put it simply, most major laws need 60 votes to overcome the filibuster, but budget bills and all presidential nominees only need 51. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the Senate's 60-vote rule. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about how our government works, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video.